Hi honeys, how are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's popping, what's well, and of course all that particular kind of good stuff. Thank you very much for clicking once yet back again in my next amazing vlog. A day in my life, kind of a thing. If this is your first time watching my face over this platform, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I do videos about makeup, glam, fashion, beauty, and of course a lot of interesting vlogs. Feel free of course to subscribe, and it's my pleasure that you did find my channel. If you are an old honey of mine, thank you for coming back. First of all, let me admit it that the weather outside is not the best weather ever, like the best weather ever. It has been raining, I think, from around 9, and right now it's approaching to 12 a.m. in the day. So I already woke up and I've already finished doing something like 2 chores. I'm done preparing tea and taking tea, of course, at the same time. Then I've also finished doing laundry. Hopefully I'll be throwing in the clips right now. You guys, today it's going to be like one of my day-to-day kind of day in a life. First of all, I want to make my bed, clean my room, and I know a lot of you guys will be like, Tanya, you did change a lot of things in your background. If you have not watched those videos, I'm gonna be leaving the playlist up here right now. Go watch them or in the description box below. But I did change up everything as you see from my background, and today I'm also supposed to be shooting a tour of everything in my background, hopefully, fingers crossed. So right now, as I've told you, I'm going to be doing my bed, try to clean up the room. I want to do my makeup. I don't know if it's only me, but I just feel alive and feel refreshed whenever I'm doing my makeup. So of course the next thing that I'm supposed to be doing right now, it is doing my makeup, because today I want to be doing a sit down chat kind of a video, talking about a lot of things, especially finance, because hello girl, I'm obsessed with finance, I'm obsessed with money. Let me put you guys here down. Before I accomplish that, let me first of all organize my clothings. By the way, this is my closet, and if this is your first time watching it, I'm very soon doing a closet tour, so don't be like, hello Tanya, you have not showed us the space around. But yeah, I'm going to just take you around randomly. Yes, so it's my closet, and this is where I right now do keep my clothings. First of all, I have clothings that I did do laundry, I think 2 days ago, that need to be folded, put into different sections, and of course all that. But hopefully after that, I'm going to be doing my makeup with you guys right here. You guys, I'm going great now to start off with my makeup. I have all my makeup supplies over here in this tin, and of course also this tin. So I'm gonna do my makeup right now as you watch, probably in the best way possible. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. You guys, my makeup is done right now. I feel good, I feel crimpy, I feel beautiful, I feel fulfilled, I feel myself. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now, there is no way I'm going. First of all, I'm not going nowhere, but I just love to do my makeup. There is a way how it cools my body. But of course today I also have other 2 videos to be shooting, and I thought it to myself, why not do my makeup, of course, when I'm going to be doing these videos, because hello, what, makeup is everything to me. So I'm going to first of all organize these things I've just used, take them where they are supposed to be, because I don't want to get the place very messy. So literally, you guys, I want to show you first of all the mess right now we have been shooting. It's a total hot mess. The makeup products are a lot over there. I need to organize them, get rid of everything, you know, and immediately after that, then I can start shooting off the first video I'm supposed to be shooting. I think it's the first video is going to be about money, because hello guys, people who have been with me for a very long time, they know that I'm obsessed with money, I'm obsessed with cash, I'm obsessed with anything concerning cash. So the first video is going to be about money, and of course the second video is going to be about my tour, my beauty space tour, something. Oh, you guys, before starting off the videos, I want first of all to have a little bit of snacks. I'm having some gonja, which is cooked. I don't know how they call gonja in English, you guys, but for those people, of course, who are not from my country, who don't know, of course, my local language, gonja resembles something like a banana, but it's more of banana which they do smoke. Yes, they do smoke it, but most of the time also other people do cook it. So that's what I'm having for my snack, my midday snack. This is how it looks, you guys. It looks beautiful and amazing, and I'm having it with a little bit of water because you know what, girl, most of these videos need energy. So if you don't have the glucose, Nance Tanya will come in and of course educate you about that. So I'm gonna be of course mumbling onto this. Then after this, hopefully we start off the videos, because it's around, I think, 1 already a.m. p.m. So I want first of all to dive into the first kind of point. I always have to plan where you're putting your money, giving an accountability, but which is sensible. Currently, I'm done with the video I've been shooting. Yes, I've been sitting over here, but everything is done, everything is finished. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to have a break. Then I'll start filming the next video, which is supposed to be a beauty space tour very soon. But I need to get all this stuff, the filming stuff over. Guys, I'm about to start shooting another video. It's already evening. It's around, I think, is it already, what is the time by right now? 14:53. Yeah. Okay, it took my 24 hours. So it's around 3 p.m. in the evening, and I'm about to start to shoot a video that I did promise you. Make sure that you watch it. I'm gonna be leaving it in the description box below. So literally, you guys, hi for the third time or the fourth time. It's currently 8 p.m. in the night, and I'm just done with everything. I've been editing the first video, hopefully that is done, the vlog. The second video, which was supposed to be the room tour, which I told you that you should go and watch, I realized that the footage was not that good, you know, and I had put a lot of time in it, so it's not going up today, hopefully. But when it goes up, I'll definitely notify you on my community tab. And also right now I'm going to be editing the third video, which was about finances. I think I showed the behind the scenes in this same vlog. Yes, so that's all for my day, and I hope that you liked the video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, share out the video, and let me grab you again in my next amazing vlog. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.